good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all hear the problem child in the background, man. We tuning in for another video. We riding in meets today. I got the ride, man. I put the wood space on there, so I gotta see. I got to put it to the test. If it don't work, I'm going to something else. I'm going to the next time. So I'm about to head to my hometown. We're going in on Dolo today. I gotta go get some stuff from AutoZone from Dolo. Gotta return the old compressor and line too, cause I don't need that. But today I plan on putting the March little serpentine kit, all that good stuff. I plan on bolting it up. And I don't know what I'm gonna do to Dolo or if he gonna mess with it today, but I'm gonna put that serpentine belt kit on. So I'm about to go hop in the car. And I guess when I get to the shop, when I get to AutoZone, man, I check in with y'all. So oh yeah, while I'm at it, while I'm thinking about it, look, I got the new decals in. I got the new shipment of decals in, man. So here they go. If you want them, hit my email. Appreciate everybody that ordered last time. They went quick. We got green. We got the white. Oh, they extra white, my bad. I got somebody that wants some, so I got to take them to my hometown. But we got white. We got some more red, and the red go fast. We got, I guess everybody got red cars. But we got red in. We got new color, orange. And we got hot pink. And I got to shout out Sonya over at Rocket Dog Graphics for taking care of me. The info is on the screen right now, so if y'all want decals printed, she shipped too, because she actually located in Oklahoma. But she look out for me. She one of my sponsors, so y'all make sure to shop with her if you need any decal. You might want the name of your car, whatever. She can take care of your good turnaround. And we got the blue too. I got probably 6 of these left. They $7 a piece shipped. They bigger, as you can see. I just have blue right now. So these $7 a piece, I think I got 6 of them. I might have a few more, but these $3 a piece shipped. So just email me, jmalcolm2004 at gmail.com, and I get you straight. So we got new decals in, about to hop in meets, and we're gonna ride. So I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, checking in. I'm over here at the NASCAR garage with the racing engine right here. He got the lights out and stuff. Y'all saw the video. He dropped the video. He finna do the halo and stuff in the lights and all that. So he over here shooting the vlog for y'all. I know y'all gonna want to see this one, cause he about to go out there at that, hey, on the tear hit. Know y'all gonna want to see that. So I stopped by here, hollered at Cuzzo for a second. Cause Uncle at work, so I'm finna chill over here for a minute. Y'all see, Meats ain't gave me no problems yet. Y'all notice I said yet. He ain't gave me no problem. I picked up 3 window motors for Dolo. The brake light switch, cause I know that my brake light stand on. What else? Power steering lines. I noticed I ain't had in the belts for the March kit. So they hit this bad boy right here though. Straight race car action, y'all. It was in. Good God almighty. I gotta get this on the block. Hey Scott, what you said? What you said? Your little boy said when Cuzzo crunk up.
He heard it when he pulled out on the street and hit it and went running around screaming race car. What is that?
A race car.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's a what?
car. That's a what? What is that?
A race car.
Oh, it's official, y'all. It's official. He got a race car. I told y'all, kids don't lie. Y'all know kids don't lie. He got a race car, so you got a race car, man. You heard it.
Hey, man.
He got a race car.
That gonna feel good, bro.
Hey, he called me. Hey, Michael Myers moving for real, y'all. Michael Myers is moving, boy. Y'all got to see that vlog, boy. I don't know. Y'all know I be posting. Yeah, y'all got to see his vlog, cause I drop early in the day. He drop at night, so the time y'all seeing this, he ain't dropped yet. So y'all got to go check that vlog out. That car moving for real. That car is moving. That new race car, that new race engine, right, boy? That thing right. So I give him a check back in with y'all in a minute. When we get over to the shop. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so I'm still on the road. Y'all hear that thing? It running bad, man. It running bad. I was just finna give Meat some prop, man. I'm still gonna give him some prop, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all and get to the house, but I want y'all to hear this. Y'all probably can't hear how it running. It ain't. I know exactly what it is. I'm gonna show y'all too. It running bad, boy. I know exactly what it is. But we're gonna check and see if the check for fuel spray too. So I said y'all just stay tuned. I want y'all to hear that. Y'all that exhaust leak, I still gotta put that gasket on. They collect the gasket. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright. So we just got back. We finna check for a fuel spray. Let me take the cap off. Ooh. Oh yeah. It's pressure in the tank. If I take the cap out, it'll shoot fuel mist everywhere, y'all. It's still pressure in the tank. A lot of it too. It didn't cut off though. I mean, that space must be doing something, a little something. Cause this is the first time I ever drove this car somewhere, well, on a long trip, and it didn't cut off. See that gas? Oh, y'all can't see it. Hold on. Well, like I said, it's first time it didn't cut off. So I'm grateful for that. But y'all hear it's still. That cap on there. We don't hear that. I heard the fuel pump get loud, boy. I said, oh Lord. Then the fuel pump like it's been cut off. That's why people were saying when I first had the 305, they were like, man, you gotta watch out for that vapor lock. They thought it was vapor locking, but it wasn't. They like to tell you fuel pump. They right. How loud the thing is. Cut off. Won't let it cut off. Y'all hear it? What we got going on up here at the filter. Still pumping right now. Run like a sewing machine though. Crank up on down. Every time. This bad boy run good though, I can't lie. But this the first time I done ever drove meat a long distance, there and back, and it didn't cut off, not one time. So that spacer gotta do something, man. It gotta do something. Oh, I can tell y'all, somebody asked why I put the spacer on. I put the spacer on to help with vapor lock. Vapor lock is what causes meats to cut off. It's heat build up in fuel lines or around the pump or the carburetor and stuff like that. So that's why I put the wood spacer on. It's supposed to absorb some of that heat, at least up this way by the carburetor. So that's why I put it up there. But something else I noticed, a benefit, is it gave me a better throttle response too. It really did. It gave me a better throttle response. That thing just, hey, I can feel it. I can feel it, no lie. I can feel it. And this is a 1/2 inch spacer. 1 inch would have been too much. I want the smaller one I can get because I'm really trying to use it for heat soak. So I got a 1/2 inch carburetor spacer. It definitely helped out. Now, let me show y'all the stuff I got for Dolo. What you doing, little lady? Trying to learn something? But look, let me tell y'all too. This how you know, this how good this car. The car don't never get hot. They're fresh out the road. No pressing.
How do that?
Pressing. Then nothing come out of there. That's how you know it running good. Where I hooked it back up. Car running cool, man, running crispy. You pull that thing up and it start boiling water, you might be getting a little hot. But let me show y'all what I got for Dolo. Now I was going to put wife in and let her drive, but I'm gonna do that another video. Let her do her first burnout in this car, so y'all don't have to stay tuned for that. But these the window motors. I got 3 of them. They actually the same for the front and the back. They use the same window motor. And the one on the driver's side, y'all know it worked, cause y'all seen me jump it off. It worked, but it go down so slow, so it probably just worn out. So I like, it ain't gonna hurt nothing to change all of them. I mean, I'm primarily worried about the front two, but I never let the back two ones down. If they go down fast, I'm just gonna change one of them. But yeah, that's it. Window motor. I got 3 of these. All this stuff was $119. So I got 3 of these. I got, watch out, see? Still in here chilling. We got some shop towels. And I had got the belts. The belts for the serpentine setup. So if you trying to buy that same serpentine kit I got, you need a 61 inch belt and a 35 inch belt. So them the belts you need. It tell you in the instruction, but you need a 61 inch 6 reel belt, 35 inch. Rain it, have to keep that on the windshield. And then right here, a brake light switch. Cause I don't know if y'all noticed in the last vlog when I was testing Dolo out, the brake lights, man, they work, but they already engaged. They stay on. Like that's why the back tail light was so bright. All the brake lights were on, man, just like the brakes being pressed. So I'm gonna try the brake light switch first. The brake light switch ain't bad, then we're gonna go dig into the wiring, cause y'all remember that car had all that alarm system and all that crazy stuff on it too. So, but this car right here, man, I can't figure this guy out. It wanted to. When I was on the interstate, and y'all saw I put that clip in there, man. We rolling 73 miles per hour. That's another reason I want to make this video too. That's the primary reason for this video, really, to talk about how fast you can go on the interstate with 410s and all that stuff. Cause y'all saw I was 73 miles per hour, and it can run 75, and I can listen where the RPMs at 75. It put it about 3,000, and I can tell you the exact how to calculate that. Shell, go get me a tape measure out of the kitchen drawer. Gotta get Shell, go get a tape measure. So, I'll tell mommy to give it to you. So, we're gonna measure these tires. I've been intending to do this because I never measured the tires. I'm gonna show y'all how to calculate this. You can really go over to Summit Racing, giving y'all free promotion again, Summit Racing, but act like you act like you put in like you about to buy some rear end gears. Just search ring and pinion. Search ring and pinion and just pick any ratio, 323 or whatever. And right when you get to where it shows you all the information, it's a calculator, a rear end calculator. You can calculate the mile per hour. You can calculate the RPM you'll be at with that particular gear, the speed, all of that stuff. And it's pretty accurate, cause I know from real world testing. I done had all type of gear. I done had 373s, 410s with overdrive, 410 with 3-speed, 373 with 3-speed. And my first time 430 now with Dolo, I done had all type of gear. 355s or 342, so I know about them.
Oh well.
So yeah. Oh, where you going? I thought you weren't scared. You hear a little thunder, you talking about some, oh well. She trying to take off. She trying to leave me. But anyway, alright, and so we're gonna measure this thing. Man, my tape measure all lopsided. Alright, man, we gonna measure. Let me see, y'all. So we roughly, y'all see I say roughly, cause this thing here give me a hard time. Let me see, there we go. 27. So this 15-inch wheel and tire, 27 inches. So you got to know that. That's called your wheel diameter. It's called your wheel diameter. It's 27 inches. So you put that in that calculator and stuff, put what gear you got, and it'll tell you, like I said, it'll tell you mile per hour and all that. But I'm gonna go plug this in. Like I said, the next video, I'm gonna tell y'all what it come up with. And that rear end calculator is based on a 3-speed transmission. So you have to do some more math for overdrive, but it can give you an idea. But yeah, you can drive on the highway at the speed limit with 410s and an overdrive transmission. So it's pretty straight. But yep, that's it, man. Not the most exciting video, but it be like that sometimes. I could skip a day, you know, it's on y'all. I could skip a day, or I can give y'all something, you know, something informative like this. So like I said, man, just check out that rear end calculator and all that. Next video, I'm gonna probably try to get wife in here. She ain't never drove this thing. She ain't drove this thing yet. A fun fact, y'all, she has never drove this car, period. Not when I had the small block 355. When I had the big block, she definitely didn't drive it. And she ain't even drove it yet now with the stock motor. So we're gonna get her in it driving. Put the GoPro up. Put me on the passenger side like we did Camaro, and then I'm gonna get her to do a burnout. See how good she's gonna do a burnout. So yep, that's it, y'all. I might teach my little one right there how to do a burnout too. Might teach her early. So yeah, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I'll catch y'all next one. Gonna cover this thing up because it's about to get down. So yeah, I'll catch y'all on that video. I'm out.